Arunachal Pradesh was established in the year A. 1985, B. 1987, C. 1989, D. 1992. The correct answer is 1987. Arunachal Pradesh was also known as A. NEFA, B. NESA, C. NEFF, D. None of the above. The correct answer is NEFA. Which one country did not share its border with Arunachal Pradesh? A. China, B. Bhutan, C. Myanmar, D. Nepal. The correct answer is Nepal. In Arunachal Pradesh, the river Brahmaputra is known by the name A. Kameng, B. Subansiri, C. Siang, D. Tirap. The correct answer is Siang. Total number of districts in Arunachal Pradesh: A. 12, B. 14, C. 19, D. 23. The correct answer is 23. Which one is not a native tribe of Arunachal Pradesh? A. Niashi, B. Rabha, C. Apatani, D. Adi. The correct answer is Rabha. Which one is the capital of Arunachal Pradesh? A. Tawang, B. Pasighat, C. Itanagar, D. Shillong. The correct answer is Itanagar. In which city the largest monastery of India is located? A. Itanagar, B. Bondila, C. Pasighat, D. Tawang. The correct answer is Tawang. Which one is recognized as the state animal of Arunachal Pradesh? A. Methun, B. Snow leopard, C. Wild deer, D. boar. The correct answer is Methun. Which one is the highest peak in Arunachal? A. Sela Pass, B. Tawang, C. Kangate, D. Mayorhaya. The correct answer is Kangate. Which one is the largest district in Arunachal Pradesh? A. Kurunkumi, B. Upper Diban Valley, C. West Kameng, D. Upper Siang. The correct answer is Upper Diban Valley. Who was the first Chief Minister of Arunachal Pradesh? A. Jgong Apan, B. Prem Khandu Tungan, C. Mukut Miti, D. Dorji Khandu. The correct answer is Prem Khandu Tungan. Tapi Mra climbed the Mount Everest in the year A. 2005, B. 2007, C. 2009, D. 2012. The correct answer is 2009. In which district the Parshuram Kund is located? A. Lohit, B. East Siang, C. East Kameng, D. West Kameng. The correct answer is Lohit. The Aji Lamu is a folk dance from which tribe? A. Adi tribe, B. Apatani tribe, C. Nishing tribe, D. Monpa tribe. The correct answer is Monpa tribe. The Arunachal Pradesh Public Service Commission was established in the year A. 1985, B. 1988, C. 1991, D. 1993. The correct answer is 1988. By which name outer sub-Himalayan range are called in Arunachal Pradesh? A. Shivalik Mountains, B. Mishmi Hills, C. Kachar Hills, D. Barail Range. The correct answer is Mishmi Hills. Which one is the largest district of Arunachal Pradesh by population? A. Changalang, B. Tirap, C. Papumpere, D. West Siang. The correct answer is Papumpere. Which one country do not share its border with Arunachal Pradesh? A. China, B. Bhutan, C. Myanmar, D. Nepal. The correct answer is Nepal. Arunachal Pradesh is also known as the paradise of the dash. A. Botanists, B. Zoologist, C. Ecologist. D. Archaeologist. The correct answer is botanists. In which year Sahitya Akademi Award given to Yeshe Dorjee Thongchi? A. 2004. B. 2005. C. 2006. D. 2007. The correct answer is 2005. Total number of State Assembly constituency in Arunachal Pradesh is A. 55. B. 57. C. 59. D. 60. The correct answer is 60. The permanent bench of Gauhati High Court for Arunachal Pradesh is located at A. Itanagar. B. Nahralgun. C. Along. D. Bondila. The correct answer is Nahralgun. Arunachal Pradesh is the dash largest state in India on areawise. A. 10th. B. 12th. C. 14th. D. 15th. The correct answer is 15th. Which Dalai Lama was born in Tawang? A. 4th. B. 5th. C. 6th. D. 7th. The correct answer is 6th. The NEFA, Northeast Frontier Agency, was created in the year A. 1954. B. 1956. C. 1957. D. 1960. The correct answer is 1954. In which year NEFA was renamed as Arunachal Pradesh? A. 1972. B. 1973. C. 1974. D. 1975. The correct answer is 1972. Which one is the official language of Arunachal Pradesh? A. Neeshi. B. Adi. C. Hindi. D. English. The correct answer is English. In which year Namdapha Wildlife Sanctuary declared as National Park? A. 1972. B. 1975. C. 1980. D. 1983. The correct answer is 1983. Which of the following traditional agricultural practices is followed by the Apatanis of Arunachal Pradesh? A. Bamboo drip irrigation. B. Zabo system. C. Paddy cum fish culture system. D. Paniketi system. The correct answer is Paddy cum fish culture system. The first general election to the Arunachal Pradesh Assembly was held A. 1978. B. 1979. C. 1980. D. 1981. The correct answer is 1978. Arunachal Pradesh share its border with how many foreign countries? A. 2. B. 3. C. 4. D. 5. The correct answer is 3. The archaeological site Bhismaknagar is located near which city? A. Roing. B. Diranga. C. Pasighat. D. Nahralgun. The correct answer is Roing. In which year the Northeast Frontier Agency was renamed as Arunachal Pradesh? A. 1970. B. 1972. C. 1976. D. 1980. The correct answer is 1972. The Kameng River originates in which district? A. Tawang district. B. West Kameng district. C. East Siang district. D. Lohit district. The correct answer is Tawang district.